Okay, so on this question, they give us a logistic differential equation, and they want us to look at that and figure out which of these direction fields or slope fields is correct. Let me put in some dividing lines. It's kind of hard to look at these things. It's even hard for me to tell where they stop. And I think it's right there. Isn't that the wall between those two? I think. Um, um, yeah, I guess. Or maybe it's it's kind of hard to tell. Man, I can't really. Okay, so the lower corner. So yeah, so I guess it's like right there. You put a little magnifying glass in the lower corner, and then here we go. Yeah, and there we go. All right, it's kind of hard to look at this, huh? All right. So anyway, how are we gonna do this? Well, remember this means slope, right? So dy dt derivative slope equals 4y minus what? Just think about it that way. Dy dt is slope. Okay. And notice if y, when y equals 1, let's put it over here. When y equals 1, put in a 1, put in a 1, slope will be 0. 4 minus 4, 0, right? Oh, no, no, wait, sorry. There should have been a 4 here. Come on. There we go. 4 minus 4, 0. So the slope equals 0. Equals 0 when y is 1. When you're to height the 1, the slope 0. Well, they pretty much all have that. See how to height the 1, see how all these flat slope lines? Height the 1, flat slope line, height the 1, flat slope line, height the 1, flat slope line. Okay. So that's doesn't rule anybody out. Okay, but next, when y is like 2, anything greater than 1, let's just say greater than 1. Y greater than 1, like 2. What are you going to get? Well, the slope will be 4 times 2 minus 4 times 2 squared will be 8 minus 16 will be negative 8. The slope, so in other words, when y is greater than 1, the slope is negative, meaning going down to the right. So when y is greater than 1, when y is higher than 1, the slope should be negative. So when you're above 1, the slope should be negative. So here is above 1, slope is positive slope. He's out. No way. See that? Because when you're above 1, here's 1. When you're up here above 1, these little slope lines are positive. That's wrong. Okay. How about the second one? When you're above 1, that's good. This is better here. See how the slope is negative? That's good. So I'll put a little check. How about the next one below that? Slope, when you're above 1, slope is negative. Good. Check. And then how about this bottom one? When you're above 1, slope is positive. Positive slope, no. Okay, we're down to 2. Those two. What else can we check? Well, you see that they're different down here below 0. So that slope's going down, that slope's going up. So which one's right? So in other words, below 0, this has a negative slope below 0. And below 0, because this is the 0 line, 0 height there, this has a positive slope. Which one's right? So when y is less than 0, like something like negative 1, what should the slope be? When you're at negative 1, well, 4y minus 4y squared, 4 times negative 1 minus 4 times negative 1 squared, negative 4 minus 4. Slope is negative 8. Slope is negative when y is greater than 0. Slope should be negative, so not positive. He's out. This is our real answer. The slope is negative when y is less than 0. So that's how I determine that this is our right answer because he's the only one that has negative slope above 1 when y is greater than 1, like 2, you get a negative slope. And when y is below 0, like negative 1, you're going to also have a negative slope. And so that's the correct answer. So just look for those differences. And remember, this is slope, dy dt, right? dy dt is slope. And so that's what tells us. And so there we go.